Good morning, beloved students, grade 2. So, how are you today, guys? I hope all of you feeling fine, yeah? So, today we will continue our lessons for Unit 3. Now, last week we have learned about anyone who still remember last week? Yo, so last week we already have new vocabulary about body parts and face, yeah? Nah, so remember, yeah, last week we also learned about how to use and an. What is the difference between and an? So if you want to use the noun should be followed by consonant, and when you use an article an, the noun should be followed by yes vowel. Okay, so like this one, what is it? I have two eyes, not an eyes, but two eyes, because we also learn about how to differentiate, membedakan singular and plural. If singular, we use a or an. If the plural noun, there is s, the word s or es or uh, es. But for grade 2, we just learn the basic thing about singular and plural to make more than one noun, so you have to put the word as behind the noun. Okay, now for today we will continue our lesson for unit 3. Today we will have new knowledge again about how to make a sentence using auxiliary do and have. Nah, kita akan membuat kalimat tanya ini masih berkaitan dengan body part and face. Okay, so ready? So now, and after this, don't forget to finish the assignment. Yeah, as usual, Mr. Martin will upload with the review quiz. Okay, quiz review. So please do the quiz review. And the next meeting, it means we will have pre-test for Unit 3. Okay, so now let's open your Happy Campers book on page. Now we continue on page on lesson 3 and 4. Now we move to page 27. Okay, yeah, nah, this is last week, yeah, we also learned about this is and this are. Nah, don't forget about this is and this are. This is used to singular, these are used for plural. Okay, don't forget about it. That's very important. Okay, now before we learn about grammar, how to make a question using auxiliary do, and what is have, apa itu have. Nah, let's see a video. There is a short story from Cody and friends. Do you want to see a video? Yeah, okay, so let's see the video together, guys.
Happy camp, happy camp, happy camp. Let's play Who Is It? Do you have brown hair and eyebrows? Yes, I do. You're Lucy. I have 4 legs, big ears, and a small chin. A rabbit?
Yes, my turn. I don't have legs. I have big teeth.
Oh no! What's that? I don't have arms. I have blue eyes.
Aha! Do you have long hair?
Yes, I do. Phew. Happy camp, happy camp, happy camp.
Okay, so that's the story. So you know a little bit, yeah, about how to answer a question when someone asking about, do you have brown hair and long hair? If you say yes, so you can say yes, I do, or yes, I have. Nah, so today we will learn about that things, okay? So it's like guessing game, yeah, like telling about characteristic of someone. Okay, so can you guess what Mr. Martin means? I have long neck and I have 4 long legs. I live in the zoo and I have polka dot color on my body. I have brown color. What am I? Yeah. So that is giraffe. Yeah. Not this one. This is my clothes, so it's different. Okay, so for example, it's like that. Okay, so now before we try to fill this one, Mr. Martin will give you the PowerPoint about this one, how to use do or don't and have. Okay, nanti bisa di download as usual ya. So what is do? So do or don't, do or do not. This is for the negative one. This is the positive. Nah, actually this is to make a question. Merupakan kata kerja bantu atau auxiliary. So in English, the word do it's called auxiliary atau kata kerja bantu. Tapi kalau bentuknya kata kerja do itu maksudnya melakukan ya. Jadi kalau di sini untuk fungsinya di grammar dalam kalimat pertanyaan ini adalah sebagai kata kerja bantu yang berfungsi untuk membuat kalimat pertanyaan menggunakan do atau membuat kalimat negatif menggunakan don't yang diikuti oleh kata kerja utama atau verb. Nah, karena do itu kata kerja bantu, nah dia pasti akan diikuti oleh kata kerja utamanya atau verb. Nah, nanti kita lihat contohnya. Ini udah ada juga sih di bawah sebenarnya. Kemudian have. Have merupakan kata kerja atau verb. Jadi ingat ya, verb itu adalah kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan kepemilikan atau kepunyaan terhadap benda. For example, like I have nose. Yeah, I have a glasses. So this is my glasses. This is belong to me. Jadi menyatakan kepemilikan atau kepunyaan. We use have, kata kerja have. Nah, di sini ada contohnya nih untuk membuat positive sentence. Kata kalimat ini untuk menjawab kalimat positif bentuknya yes gitu ya. Contohnya ini membuat pertanyaannya, do you have black hair? Nah, yes I do. Pilih salah satu, bisa menggunakan yes I do atau yes I have black hair. Nah, do you have black hair? Yes I do. Or you can say yes I have black hair. Okay, that's for the positive. This is the next is negative. If you don't have black hair, so you cannot say yes I do. Dan rambut kalian mungkin brown atau white, maybe that's for your grandpa or grandma ya. Next, for the negative sentence, for example, do you have long black hair? No, I don't. Or kalimat lengkapnya ya, no, I don't have black hair. Nah, di sini beda ya, negatif ada don't sebelum have. Kalimat positif kenapa tidak ada ya Mr. Martin ya? Nah, ini tadi fungsinya karena do sebagai kata kerja bantu. Kalau bentuk positif di sini yes I do di sini adalah kata kerja. Kalau letaknya di paling awal itu sebagai kata kerja bantu. Tapi kalau di sini letaknya setelah subjek itu kata ganti orang I, ini posisi do sebagai kata kerja utama. Jadi tidak bisa ada double kata kerja atau dua kata kerja di kalimat positif. Ini kan kalimat positif ya. Jadi harus pakai salah satu. Ya, saya punya. Do bisa juga digantikan punya juga. Yes, I do. Ya, saya punya black hair. Or you can say, yes, I have. Nah, untuk kalimat positif, tidak bisa ada dua kata kerja. No, we cannot put two verbs on a sentence. But for negative sentence, you need to use auxiliary don't or do not. Karena kita menggunakan kata kerja have di sini. Jadi kalau kalimat yang ada kata kerjanya, this is kalimat simple sentence, simple tense. Setelah subject I, di sini kan ada no. Nah, kita nggak bisa bilang no, I have black hair. Harus ada kata kerja bantunya, temannya, don't, untuk merubah menjadi kalimat negatif. Jadinya, no, I don't have black hair. Oke ya, sampai di sini paham ya? It's easy. Oke ya, still simple. Oke. So, you can read again this PowerPoint. It's already converted in PDF, so you can download as usual. Okay, so this is the difference between do untuk positive sentence di sini sebagai kalimat pertanyaan, kata pertanyaan auxiliary-nya, dan do untuk negative sentence fungsinya untuk membuat menjadi negatif, bertolak belakang, atau kalimatnya di sini kan menyatakan tidak gitu ya, atau bukan. Oke ya, understand ya? Good. Nanti kalau paham atau tidak kita buktikan ketika mengerjakan quiz review. Okay? So let's back again to Happy Campers. Yeah, okay, so let's see this one. Number 1 is easy, sudah dijawab ya. Number 2, kira-kira apa nih jawabannya? Let's see, ada di sini. Number 1, okay, is easy, okay. Number 2, nah, number 2 kira-kira apa ini ya isinya ya? Tadi ini salah satu dari yang dibilang oleh Cody tadi, ciri-ciri sebuah hewan. I bla 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 legs. Kira-kira apa isinya? I do have, yakin. Coba tadi kan masih sudah bilang kalau di sini Pak, di sini ada do, di sini pasti nggak bisa dikasih have. Tapi kita coba ya untuk pembuktian. Ini harusnya negatif di sini. Number 3, I. This one, nyatakan kepemilikan. Yes, I have big feet. Number 4, nah kalimat pertanyaan. Kalimat pertanyaan tadi di depannya dikasih kata kerja bantu dulu apa? Yes, do. Terus subjek dulu, subjeknya you. Baru kata kerja utama. Do you have long hair? Yes, I. Wah, ini katusnya ada 2 nih. Kok nggak bisa jadikan 2? Oh, this one, berarti kan ada yang salah di sini. Kalau di sini yes, masa di sini don't? Nah, berarti nomor 2 dan nomor 4 ada yang tertukar. Nah, kita coba cek kalau nggak percaya. See, so this one is wrong. This one is wrong also. Let's try again. Nah, kan kembali lagi. Number 2 berarti I don't have. Number 4, yes, I do. Okay, because this is we already have the verb, kata kerja, otomatis depannya harus dikasih kata kerja bantu untuk menyatakan kalimat negatif. Kalau kalimat positif tidak bisa pakai 2 kata kerja, karena do itu kalau untuk kalimat pertanyaan letaknya di depan, tapi kalau untuk kalimat jawaban, menjawab, hanya boleh ada 1, pakai do atau pakai have gitu ya. Let's check. Yeah, it's correct. Okay ya, so that's about page 27. This is the story, you can read by yourself ya. You can try to fill this one in your house. Number 2 is just maths and then fill in the blank. Number 2, nah this one we review again the lesson that we already get last week. Kira-kira pakainya this is atau this are for number 1. Yes, ice di sini plural atau singular, tunggal atau lebih dari satu? Ya, lebih dari satu. Ada huruf S, berarti di sini pasti jawabannya these are. Let's see. This pakainya apa? Gini bukan? Pakai huruf I atau huruf E? Ya, pakainya E ya. These are. Number 2, tummy. This is fit. Ayo, fit itu hanya ada satu atau lebih dari satu? Ya, lebih dari satu. Fit itu termasuk irregular plural noun, jadi berubah bentuknya. Kalau ice tadi kan hanya ditambah huruf S. Kalau fit, bentuk tunggalnya adalah foot. Nah, these are number 4. This is. Okay, let's check. Oh, ini karena apa? Bukan huruf besar. Yes, this one. Jadi harus pakai huruf kapital. Kalau di awal kalimat di awal kalimat hurufnya paling depan harus menggunakan huruf besar using the capital word. See, okay, so you have to use capital word for the word tea because this is the very first word in the sentence. Okay, yeah, it's easy ya. Okay, so guys, after that, please do it by yourself. You can do from the language lots, yeah, unit 3. You can do it by yourself, page 9 until page 27. 27, but this one, number 2. This is just to complete the sentence using do or have, and what is the answer, yes or no. For example, number 2, do you have blue eyes? If you have blue eyes, you can say yes, I do. But if you don't have, just write down no, I don't. Okay, choose one, pilih salah satu, pakai yang yes I do atau no I don't. Tapi kalau memang you have blue eyes, ya say yes I do. Okay, for page 11, you just find the word from this picture in the puzzle, okay, in this crossword. After you find the keyword in the crossword, and then you state the answer or write the answer inside this line, okay, based on the picture. Number 10, page 10 is just to fill in with this is or this are. Okay, so it's easier for you, yeah, because all of you are smart students. Okay guys, so yeah, I think that's all for today for unit 3. So we have done unit 3. We have done about singular and plural, this is and this are. And now for today we also learn about how to use auxiliary do and the verb have. Okay, after this, please do the quiz review, and if you have any question, please WhatsApp Mr. Martin. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Next week we will have pre-test for unit 3. Okay, so stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye, have a good day.